What's up YouTube, this is Amo, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can pass data into your blade. So we already know how to do that for our roads, but what if we have for example a blade and we want to return that blade to user with data. So for example, in this example I have article ID and I have to pass it inside this function as parameter, and now inside view after the index I can say for example title, and this title is defined by article, so I say article variable. Okay, now inside our blade I can say after opening PHP tags I can say echo title. Okay, so this is very simple. If I refresh the page with ID, it says 1 because I entered one as ID, and I say hello, it says hello. But remember that because Laravel is using blade system engine, template engine, we don't need to use these PHP tags, but later on we already uh, understand that how this blade works. But for now just know how to uh, show some custom data into our blades, and this is how you can do it.